Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that could save you thousands of dollars over the lifetime of your car. We all love our vehicles, but sometimes small habits and oversights can lead to huge, wallet-draining regrets down the road. So, let us get into it. 10 money-costing mistakes people make with their cars and how you can avoid them. First up, number 1. Ignoring your check engine light. I know, it's the universal symbol for I'll deal with that later. But here's the thing. That little light is your car's way of crying for help. It could be something as simple as a loose gas cap, which is a free fix. Or it could be a failing catalytic converter, which can cost a fortune to replace. Ignoring it allows a small, cheap problem to snowball into a massive, expensive one. Don't procrastinate. Get it scanned at an auto parts store for free and figure out what's going on. It's the single most important warning light in your car. Mistake number 2. Skipping regular oil changes. This is Car Care 101, but you'd be surprised how many people stretch the intervals way too far. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine. It lubricates moving parts, cleans away deposits, and helps regulate temperature. When you neglect oil changes, that oil breaks down, gets dirty, and stops doing its job effectively. This leads to increased friction, overheating, and eventually, catastrophic engine failure. A new engine can cost more than the car is worth. An oil change, it's a tiny fraction of that. Check your owner's manual for the recommended interval, whether at every 5,000 or 10,000 miles, and stick to it like glue. Coming in at number 3 is a big one, neglecting your tires. Your tires are the only part of your car that actually touches the road. Their condition is critical for safety and efficiency. Two common mistakes here are not checking tire pressure and not rotating them. Underinflated tires wear out faster, reduce your fuel economy because of increased rolling resistance, and can lead to a dangerous blowout. Get a cheap pressure gauge and check them monthly. And tire rotations? They ensure your tires wear evenly, extending their life significantly. Most shops will do it for a small fee, or even for free if you bought your tires from them. A new set of tires can be a major expense, so make the ones you have last as long as possible. Dear viewer, are you enjoying our content? We post car care and car finance videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Getting back to our listing. Number 4. Using the wrong fluids. Your car uses a whole cocktail of different fluids: engine oil, coolant, transmission fluid, brake fluid, power steering fluid. They are not one size fits all. Putting the wrong type of oil or coolant in your car can cause serious damage. For example, mixing different types of coolant can cause it to gel up and clog your cooling system, leading to overheating. Your owner's manual is your best friend here. It will tell you the exact specifications for every fluid your car needs. Don't just grab whatever is on sale. A few minutes of reading can save you from a multi-thousand-dollar repair bill. Alright, halfway through at number 5. Ignoring your brakes. This one is not just about money. It's about your safety and the safety of everyone around you. Brakes are designed to wear out, but there are warning signs. Do you hear a high-pitched squealing when you brake? That's a built-in indicator telling you it's time for new pads. Do you hear a deep, grinding noise? That's bad. That means you've worn through the pads completely and are now grinding metal on metal, destroying your rotors. Replacing pads is a routine, relatively inexpensive job. Replacing pads and rotors is much more expensive. Let it go even further, and you could damage the calipers, turning a simple fix into a massive financial headache. Listen to your car. Mistake number 6 is a silent money drainer. Paying for premium fuel when you don't need it. The debate between regular and premium gasoline is endless. But the science is simple. High-performance engines with high compression ratios require premium, high-octane fuel to prevent something called knock, which can damage the engine. However, if your car's manufacturer recommends regular 87-octane fuel, putting 91 or 93 in it does absolutely nothing. You're not getting more power, better mileage, or a cleaner engine. You are literally just throwing money away at every single fill-up. Check your owner's manual or the inside of your gas cap. Use what the manufacturer recommends and save that extra cash. Next up, number 7. Deferring scheduled maintenance. Your car's manufacturer lays out a detailed maintenance schedule for a reason. They designed a car, they know what it needs and when. This includes things like replacing the timing belt, flushing the transmission fluid, and changing spark plugs. A timing belt, for instance, is a classic example. The part itself isn't terribly expensive, but if it snaps while you're driving, it can completely destroy your engine. The cost of replacing the belt on schedule is a tiny fraction of the cost of a new engine. Don't think of scheduled maintenance as an expense. Think of it as an investment in your car's longevity and reliability. At number 8, we have a mistake many DIYers make: over-tightening bolts. More is better, right? Tighter is stronger? Not in the car world. Every critical bolt on your car, from the lug nuts on your wheels to the drain plug on your oil pan, has a specific torque specification. Over-tightening a lug nut can warp your brake rotor. Over-tightening an oil drain plug can strip the threads in the oil pan, leading to a very expensive replacement. A good torque wrench is an essential tool for anyone who works on their own car. It takes the guesswork out and ensures everything is tightened just right, not too loose and not too tight. Mistake number 9, not shopping around for insurance. Many of us sign up for a car insurance policy and then just let it auto-renew year after year without a second thought. This is a huge mistake. Insurance rates change constantly, and so do your circumstances. Your driving record improves, your car gets older, you move to a new neighborhood. Loyalty to one company rarely pays off in the insurance world. Every year or two, take an hour to shop around and get quotes from multiple providers. There are tons of websites that make this easy. You could potentially save hundreds of dollars a year for the exact same coverage just by making a few phone calls or clicks. And finally, number 10, washing your car with dish soap. This sounds harmless, but it's a big problem for your car's paint. Dish soap is a degreaser. It's formulated to strip grease and oil off your dirty plates. When you use it on your car, it does the same thing. It strips off the protective layer of wax and sealant on your paint. This leaves your clear coat exposed to the sun's UV rays, bird droppings, and other environmental contaminants. Over time, this will cause your paint to fade, oxidize, and fail. Always use a dedicated car wash soap. It's pH balanced to clean the dirt without stripping the protection. A bottle of car soap is cheap, a new paint job is not. So there you have it, 10 common mistakes that can cost you a fortune. From ignoring that little check engine light to using the wrong soap, these small oversights add up. By being a little more mindful and proactive, you can keep your car running smoothly for years to come and keep your hard-earned money in your pocket, where it belongs. What other costly car mistakes have you seen? Let me know down in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button and consider subscribing for more tips to save you time and money. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.